name is Guess the Food Item. एक क्यू कार्ड्स में फूड आइटम्स की फोटो बनी है एंड द पर्सन होल्डिंग द कार्ड डजंट नो इसके अंदर क्या फूड आइटम है एंड they will have to guess the food item and the other person will act or just say random words about it. So let's start with Tanishq.
Okay. Okay, is it veg or non-veg?
It's veg.
Is it related to paneer?
No, but I think you can put इनमें किसी ना किसी डिश में डाल सकते हो.
मतलब इसमें पनीर नहीं है.
अब नहीं.
Okay. सब्जी है?
नहीं.
सब्जी नहीं है. इंडियन क्विजीन नहीं है.
इंडियन है.
इंडियन है. सब्जी नहीं है.
सब्जी नहीं है इसके अंदर.
मतलब सब्जी है, रोटी है, दाल है, इसमें से क्या है?
क्वेश्चन पूछना.
पूछो तो दाल है, रोटी है,
दाल
सब्जी
है.
दाल है. ओके, तुर दाल?
डिश है.
डिश. तो दाल से कौन सी डिश बनती? दाल ही बनती है ना दाल से तो.
Okay, I'll give you a better clue. जो लोग बीमारी में खाते हैं.
खिचड़ी.
Yes.
So I get this one, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next one.
Next one, I do it or she does?
I'll
She will do it.
Yeah.
You need to ask better questions.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. Again, is it veg, non-veg?
It's non-veg, but it could be veg also. It's a dish.
It's a dish. It's butter chicken?
Butter chicken, how is supposed to be veg?
Butter masala? There is veg for butter masala.
चिकन निकाल लो तो वेज हो गया है ना.
हाँ.
नहीं वो नहीं.
Okay. Again, is it a sabzi or something like a roll?
It's not sabzi.
Is it a roll or something?
It's not a roll.
Is it boiled chicken? Salad?
No,
Not a salad?
not a salad.
Not a boiled thing.
No.
तो सब्जी हुई ना?
It's a
Chicken leg
boiled.
piece.
It's a boiled thing, but it's not a sabzi.
It's not a sabzi, but it's a boiled thing. It's not a salad.
No. Ask me questions.
I am a vegetarian. I don't know non-veg dishes.
You know this. I have eaten it and I ordered it sometime back.
Some chop?
No.
No.
And then how would you know what I ordered?
Ramen?
Yeah. You know I ordered, right?
Okay.
That actually shows the chemistry between you both. That's actually great.
मैंने तो focus किया नहीं क्या order
I
किया
think
था क्या order
I
किया.
announced it on this set, right?
हाँ. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, starting with veg or non-veg, please.
Veg.
Okay. Is it again a sabzi?
It's not a sabzi.
It's not a sabzi. Something with rice?
No.
No?
ना? No. नहीं मुझे पता नहीं.
Some kind of soup?
No.
No? Some kind of roll?
Yes.
Roll?
Yep.
Okay. Veg kebab पराठे?
तो कितना स्पेसिफिक है नहीं.
लखनऊ में मिलते हैं, they're very famous.
लखनऊ की डिश नहीं है.
Okay. It's a roll.
Yeah.
You can ask which state is it from.
Yeah.
Which state is it?
I think it's South Indian, right?
No, I think so. It's Gujarati.
Gujarati. Sorry.
Gujarati.
Yeah.
That you have to call Niharika for it. एक second.
Snacks हैं.
Snakes है? खांडवी?
Yeah.
That was so difficult.
ये मुझे भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था कैसे समझाऊं.
That's really great. That's really great.
निहारिका होनी चाहिए.
Oh.
Again.
सब्जी नहीं है.
सब्जी नहीं है. Veg, non-veg.
Veg.
Veg.
Mosquito coil.
Mosquito coil, मोटी.
खाने की
That's
चीज
a
है.
very good clue.
खाने की चीज है.
जलेबी.
Yes.
That's a very good clue
I
actually.
can tell like this. मैं फिर ऐसे बता सकता हूँ. It's
Okay.
you who need to ask me good questions.
But see, I've got all the.
Yeah, you got all this.